Hello everyone. In this video, I will guide you how you can find logged payment entries on TranZact. First of all, let us go to our payments module. So on your left hand side panel, you will see payments module option. Please click on this. Now, once you will come in payments module, so these are the list of invoices in the category document. So suppose once I will go ahead and just log the payment. After that, I need to see the receipt voucher which is created after logging the payment. So from where I can get that. So in the category, you need to select payment and receipts. Once you will click on payment and receipts, here is the type payment received or payment made. So this is the receipt voucher which get created on TranZact after you log the payment. Here you can very well go ahead and just see that from which bank you have done the payment, or through for which document you have made the payment, and what was the mode, if any comment reference, each and every detail while logging the payment can be displayed here. You can click on this receipt voucher number, and accordingly a receipt voucher will get opened in front of you. You can very well go ahead and just on your right hand side very top from other action, print this receipt voucher, and also you can cancel this receipt voucher if you need to cancel the payment log. I hope this particular video will be helpful to you while checking the payment log or payment register on TranZact. Also, we do have reports for this. You can very well go ahead and just check in our report segment in accounts the receipt vouchers which you have logged. I hope this particular video will be helpful. Have a good day ahead.